Hi everyone, welcome. This is Cabochon cutting day again, and today we've got a special treat. The material that I'm going to be using over here is a beautiful piece of material, and I am going to try and keep as much of it as possible in the cabochon I'm about to cut. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. My name is Jeff. This material I'm using today looks amazing. It has some beautiful rich colours, and from what I can see it doesn't have too much in the way of bubbles, but that may change. Now I think I'm going to be cutting a cushion shape out of this. I think with the oval we'll just lose too much colour, but we'll see how it goes. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel and you haven't been here before and you like these videos, consider subscribing and hit that like button. I'd appreciate that. Let's get on with cutting this cabochon. This is a nice stone. Nice rich blues, flashes of goldy yellow, pink, little bits of silver. Very good structure. I hope you can see that. I don't think there are many bubbles in there. If they are, they're not obvious. Very small one down there by the looks of it. So this I think is going to make a nice stone. Again, do I do an oval? Or do I do like a cushion shape, a rectangular shape? Gee, I'm tempted to go the cushion shape, because if I cut an oval I'm going to lose all these corners where they're a colour, and I think it'd be good to keep that. So yeah, I'm going to go a cushion shape with this one. Tell me what you think. Love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me what you think it should have been, but I think a cushion shape is the best way to go. With a cushion shape, the important thing is to get these sides parallel as best as I can. Then what I'll do is I'll roll over each edge, try and keep it all nice and even. So we'll get started. By the way, on a round wheel this can be a little bit difficult, especially to get those nice flat edges. I can chase my tail on this a little bit. Take it down too much one side, then take it down too much the other side. The colour can be a bit distracting. Get those edges better. There's chips there. Really should try and get them out. It's a bit better. See that? Cut it too much down one side. That's my eyesight for you. A bit better. Look, I don't think I'm going to get it any better with my eyesight, so I'll now start rolling over the edge. Just a little bit anyway before I put it on the dopstick. Okay, I'll get that on the dopstick. It'll be easier for me to handle, and I can probably get a bit more accurate. Just noticed, whether you've seen it or not, there's a nice bubble right in there. And I'm going to have to be very careful that I don't hit it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to chop it right down to there. Oh well, that's life. I'll just warm up the stone, warm up the wax. Not much wax there, so doesn't take much. Push it down. Push the wax down onto the stone. There's my kiln gun. I have an alarm on it when it gets to a certain temperature. So that's an interesting experience, isn't it? There's a nice stone. And I just leave it up there. I hope I don't stuff it up. I've got to get those sides more parallel. So that's the first job. If I keep it steady instead of shaking so much, that would be help. The shake is getting worse. You can see how that's out, can't you? Team square that way. Not that way. That's better. Okay. Now, I've just got to roll it over in a way that it can be set properly. And this is the hard bit. My battery is about to run out, so I better do this quick. I'll get that in the fire polish, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. Well, I think that looks really nice, but you may have noticed that it is smaller than what I finished up with before I was going to put it in the kiln. Just before I was about to put it in the kiln and take it off the dopstick, I noticed a hole in the end that I hadn't noticed before. So by the time I ground that hole away, it did make a much smaller stone. Now, I don't think it's taken too much away from it, and in fact, I think that will make a really good ringstone. So maybe I'll be able to convince Anne into making it for me. Anyway, I think that all went well. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you got something out of that. And until the next video, I will say bye for now.